Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat account temporarily locked. For example, if you open your Snapchat account and there's shown that your account has been temporarily locked, then how you can fix that. After some time you will get an appeal form. For that you can simply apply for unlocking of your account, but if you didn't get that, apply for the appeal of unlocking your account. Then how you can fix that? For this you have to simply open a browser, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport, and in Snapchat Sport you can simply search for unlock my account, and here you will get all the details related to unlocking of your account. Unlock the account. After that you can simply ask Snapchat to unlock your account. So here you can click my account is locked, and after that they will tell you about the detail, and then there are the options which are related to unlocking locking of the account. The first one is my account has been permanently blocked, and the second one, my account has been temporarily locked. If your account is temporarily locked, then you have to click on here. After that you can simply select my account has been compromised, then you can simply click on contact our support team here. After that they will ask you to submit a request, which means you can simply provide them detail what happened to your account. And after that, if it still doesn't work for you, then here you can simply provide them username, email address, a mobile number, and also here you can provide the description of your problem, and after that they will unlock your account as soon as possible. In this way you can simply apply for an appeal to unlock your Snapchat account as if it is not showing on your Snapchat app. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.